Subscribe to this channel and press the bell icon to get notified for the latest tech videos.
Hey, what's up YouTube? This is Wasay here, and in this video I am going to show you how you can access any blocked website on Google Chrome without using a VPN. The process is pretty simple, secure, fast, and best of all, it's completely free. So let's begin the video. So before I tell you that how you can access blocked websites on Google Chrome, the first question that you might have is why the sites are actually blocked. So these are blocked by your ISP or your internet service provider, and the ISP is bounded by the government policies. So if the government policy says that these websites should be blocked, then the ISP blocks those websites in your area or country. The second thing may be that if you're working in office like me, then the office has some regulation that they want some particular websites to be blocked. Like in some offices, YouTube and these kind of websites or social media websites are blocked. However, if you want to view these blocked websites on Google Chrome, let me show you how you can do it easily.
Here I am on my Windows PC and the process is same for Mac users. All you are going to do is to open your Google Chrome browser and you're going to open any website that is blocked. If I open LinkedIn, in my case it is blocked in this particular area, and you're going to see that if the site is blocked, it is going to keep on loading and loading, but the site will not be opened. And if I go and show you my internet speed quickly, you can see that I have sent 4 or 80 megabytes per second of internet, which is quite fast, but the website is still not loading, which means that this site is blocked in my particular area. So in order to resolve this issue, all you are going to do is to go on the top right side, press on these 3 dots, go to settings. Here in Chrome settings, you're going to go onto the left side where it says privacy and security, press on that. You're going to go down where it says security, press on the security tab. Here you're going to scroll down until you find the option use secure DNS. If this option is disabled, just enable this option and it's going to show with your current service provider or your ISP. You're going to go with the second option with, and you're going to select Cloudflare 1.1.1. So this Cloudflare DNS is secure and fast, so it acts like a VPN, but it is pretty fast. If I now again open a new tab, if I go and open LinkedIn again, which is a blocked website in my area, you can see that the blocked website is opened up and there is no data limit using the secure DNS. It is completely free and it is pretty fast.
So guys, if you like this video, like, share, subscribe. If you have any other questions, write them in the comment section below. And if you have not subscribed to my channel, please do so. Other than that, thank you for watching, and as always, stay safe.